Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist. I guess the meow was kind of appropriate this time, so we're doing a meowy kitty. Just getting some shapes in here, and kitty looks a little weird at first, I know. We're going 3 times the speed and voicing over. I've learned to really spend a lot of time shaping this area because if you get it off, it just looks awkward and uncomfortable. That being said, you don't want to get perfectionist about it either. Because if you try to correct every little thing, then you lose that beautiful impressionistic look. So the general shape. And for each person that's different. It totally depends on your style. Tighten up a little more here for the eyes. I try to fit them into the eye sockets and into the contour of the head. Yeah, we're speeding up here to 4 times the speed. So we got a bit of a tongue in there. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat or whatever, where you live in the world. Let me know how you like the videos. And I've been thinking about building a course too, where I would have real-time videos and explaining everything I do, plus a lot more, and kind of take you through a progression of maybe doing one drawing just for a simple starter course. And then we'd see what I did from there. Maybe move on to some more intense courses. So if you're interested in courses, let me know. Probably start off with a really affordable one. Maybe a $10 or $20 course. So now we are going to speed up even more to 6 times the speed. Get those pupils in and watch Kitty's eyes pop. I'm really liking how Kitty looks now. You gotta be careful with those teeth, because if you make them stand out too much, they kind of overpower the drawing, and we kind of want the bigger picture, the expression of the whole cat. So just a hint of teeth in there. Don't be afraid to get your eraser in there if you need to do some fixing. Sometimes I use my eraser just to soften lines, not even so much to totally get rid of them. An eraser is a handy drawing tool as well as a pencil. Don't want those nostrils sticking out too much. Whiskers, some dots. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.